Hey folks, Jonathan here. This is not about a tutorial that I'm used to do, about film designer or tutorials like that. I'm here to tell you about social medias and this quarantine, this coronavirus that is, getting us stuck at home. In this pandemic time, I can see that people are getting really depressed. It's is a consequence about to stay at home. But worse than this is about the social media. People are getting more. People are consuming a lot. People are spending more time on the internet at home, and they spend the time on Instagram or social media in general. And I can see that they always compare themselves with others. And of course, when you are on the social medias, you always will receive in your timeline, your feed, people that get a lot of comments, people that get like, and most of them are successful people by the numbers, what the numbers say. And this really can hurt your, I'd say, your creativity, your motivation somehow. First, because you are going to compare yourself with these peoples, and you are going to try to do what they do because you may think that they have the receipt to give to you. And most people will try to get a lot of course brushes package, and think that they will do the same like that person do. And when they try to do, they just discover that they can't be that person, and this can be very frustrated, you know. And why I'm telling you this? Why I'm telling you all of these things? Because when someone tell me, you are talented designer, I like your work. Okay, thank you, but I want to see your design as well. Post on here. If you like it just to see my design, if you follow me just to see your design, just to see my design, okay, thank you. Like I very appreciate that. If you want to do this, if you love this, if you are commenting on here, it's because perhaps you love this as well. You want to do this as well, and it is everything about you. What you like to do most, in your time, in your free time, while you are at your home on there, while you are stuck at home. In this meantime, what you are doing to get better, to not feel frustrated, anxious, with anxiety, with fear. What you are doing? You are spending a lot of time in social medias, comment about other works, or you are trying to get something, to learn something different, trying to spend more time with your family, with your dog. Why I'm telling you all of this? You know, there is no intro here, there is no music on here, just to tell you about this, just to ask you about this. What are you doing to change what you are feeling right now? And ask yourself about this. And if you care about numbers, because if you are on internet using your social media and you post something, and you don't get a like or comments, and you feel very sad because of this, don't start. Don't post. Don't post, really. Because when I got into this thing, not just about this YouTube or my Instagram, uh, I got some, people that my comment section, people that don't like my design as well. And that time, at the very beginning, I was thinking I'm going to delete my photo, my post, because I'm hurt by this comment. And I was thinking, no, all these people really enjoy it as well, my design. Just one or two people can destroy your post, that will make you delete your post, your design, because uh, we are dealing with social things, and the social medias can kill your motivation because of this, your creativity. Try to know who you are, what you like to do most, and don't feel afraid to post your designs. It's not because you are not getting numbers, likes, comments, people that, oh, you are doing really great. I have a community that's called Vectorize Club, where I ask people, please show me your designs. Don't be afraid. We are here to learn. And people that is learning post and others not don't follow. I really think that this is about you, what you think, and it's not about others or what people will think about your design. Let me tell you this thing. When we are kids, kids can compare them with each other. Since that girl has a doll more beautiful than mine, that boy has a better remote car than me, and we grow with these feelings of comparison. This is the first thing that will hurt your motivation, your inspiration. When we become adults, with this feeling of comparison that is addressed in us as human being, we feel very frustrated, anxious, and fear. We fear. These three feelings can destroy your creativity. This is what I saw and what I felt when I was starting. When I post something and that thing doesn't get a lot of comments and people that enjoy, I was thinking, what am I doing wrong? Should I do, let's say, women's draw just women's, girls, and this is crazy. You cannot change what you like most because the social media is just upping the people that do the same thing, you know. And this is why it's so important to understand yourself, to know what you like to do most, because social media will try always to show up the people that has numbers, and probably you will never see a bad design at the top, and we will think, oh my gosh, I'm surrounded just by people that is better than me. I'm just seeing people that is better than me, and you grow think about that you are a bad you are a shit. I'd say I'm feeling a shit because I can't draw like this guy. You know, I'm not I don't want to sound like a coaching, but I think this is about the social media with the coronavirus pandemic time that is happening. A lot of people at home posting on social medias, and the social media will just show people that is succeed, and you feel that your design is not good enough because you are not talented, because this is not true. Talent means more than 10,000 of hours practicing. If you see my first design, it was horrible. My first drawing, even more horrible than now. you know, and this is so important to understand. Don't try to care about what other people will think about your designs. And the social medias can kill your motivation because of this. And I really hope that this helps you somehow. I don't want to ask you for like. I don't want to ask you to subscribe on here. Just tell me if this is useful to you on the comment section. Just this is enough to know that this is helping you somehow. All right. And guys, thank you so much. I don't have nothing to say anymore. And as this is not a tutorial, and okay, that's all. See you.